Alright, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you once again for stopping in. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button. We do unbox a lot of watches on this channel. We primarily do watch content here, and I'd love to have you join me in my journey. I'm just an amateur watch collector and lover, and as we check out some new stuff here, and like I said, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we do have a giveaway lined up. I think we're about 10 away, so 10 people, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications as well, okay? If you saw the thumbnail, you know why we're here. We did receive our Watch Gang Black Tier subscription watch. This is for the month of August 2021. Let me move everything out of the way here. And we're going to jump in. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to offer I always do the unboxing. We offer some of my quick thoughts. We'll go over all the specs, and we'll see it in its full detail here, okay? Now, this is a brand that has been here before on the channel that I recognized immediately upon opening it. And that is this. Cortibert. Maybe go long on the E there. Cortibert. Actually, the T is probably silent, so it's probably Cortibert, okay? Cortibert is probably how you pronounce that, but again, if you know, correct me in the comment section below. We did have one of these before that we unboxed on the channel, and I thought, actually, I didn't think it was terrible. It was a little bit of a different watch. It was the Cortibert North Star. I did get that one under the Platinum subscription. And while it was an interesting watch, it to me wasn't really quite worth the price point, so I did end up getting rid of it. But I will say this one here, I do think is worth it, okay? All right, so you do have this outer box here, and then you have this blue box that contains the watch. And I will say, one thing that always trips me out about the Cortibert watches, or the Cortibert watches, is the difference in the fonts. So I actually really like this font. I don't like this one. So for some reason, they put this one in certain places, and then they go with this one in other places. I don't know why the two different fonts. You would think that there'd be some continuity. And I pointed this out on the last one, and I see that still hasn't been changed at all. So keep in mind, guys, this is from the Black Tier of Watch Gang, which is a subscription box service. So this is $99. So you do have cardboard box here. If you'll remember previously, the watch that we got for our previous Black Tier from last month, bear with me 1 second, okay? Left my desk here for a second. We did receive the Axwell, and I gave this one good marks simply because it came with a nice travel case. A little bit nicer case than just a cardboard box, but also it did come with a GMT, which was nice. So GMT was nice. Nice when you travel. So this was the previous month's Black Tier watch that I received. So this month we did get the Cortibert. Let's jump in, okay? And right off the bat here, we've got the card. So you can see here, you got all your warranty information. Let's see here, instruction manual, which is online, looks like. You can hit that with your phone and go there and read the instruction manual. Let's see here, we'll put that to the side. You got foam and silica gel. Try not to ingest that. We do have the tag. So we'll put all this to the side here. And I will say that I really dislike these boxes. This is the same box that's used, or the same box manufacturer that makes the box for the Duke So watches and also the CCCP watches. Eventually, this hinge on these always breaks. So, all right, getting into the watch itself. It's on the leather pillow, or the suede pillow. This is it here, and I will say, guys, as I go in for some detailed shots here, man, it is a looker. So I really like the simple chronograph look. Just a 2-dial, contrast in colors, especially between the main dial and the subdials, is always a great look. If you remember, we did get the Condola Endurance in this particular, in this subscription. We got that, I believe it was late last year we got it, and that watch was absolutely beautiful. It was black and red. Pretty much the same setup here. I believe the same movement as well, but the Cadola Endurance was a nice watch. Had a rally strap on it, which is very nice. This is just a particular look that you can't go wrong with, and that's what happened here. Let me see if I can bring in the light so you guys can get the full details here. So on this one, we do have a gray dial, or as they say on the website here, it's lead gray. As you can see, you do have some white, you do have, red hands on those black subdials. Everything laid out here, including the font of the numbers, everything looks really good. I really like this dial a lot. So this is a good looking piece for the money, for 99 bucks. And if you're not going to get an automatic, it's like at least, which I feel like they try to do. If they're not going to give you an automatic watch for the 99 bucks, they do try to at least give you like an interesting chronograph, or at least like a GMT or some other functionality instead of just like a basic quartz watch. You do have the bracelet here. The bracelet does feel good. For the price point, it does feel pretty good here. And I was surprised by the clasp. So as you can see, you do have the Cortebert here, the Cortebert here. And then the clasp isn't cheap. It's not one of those really super cheap pressed ones, which was nice. And let's see here. Behind here on the back, looks like you do have, still got the plastic on there. On the back here, which I guess I'll take that off. On the back here, as you can see, you do have the looks like a little Cortebert logo there, sort of, going on there. Looks like a little bit of design etched into the back of it. On the crown here, you do have logo etched into the crown there as well, which is like a little, I guess, I believe that's what's on the box here. Whatever that logo is actually on the signed crown as well. But overall, not a bad looking piece. I think it looks pretty sharp, especially for 99 bucks sent out to you. Let's throw it on the wrist here as we go down the specs here real quick. Let me pull it down here. So it just says, oh, real quick, I'll do a wristwatch check, guys. Where are my manners? This is my Seiko King Turtle. You've seen this one before. It is unboxed on the channel, and it is on this beautiful strap code Jubilee. So you can look for that. It is on the channel here. I actually compare it against another turtle watch that I got from Watch Gang, which actually made me like these and purchase a real one. It's the one I got from Watch Gang was an homage. But before we try it on here, let's go ahead and go down the list here, guys. So it does say that it is a Japanese quartz chronograph. It doesn't say like, Seiko VK, it doesn't say, Mecha quartz. It just says Japan quartz chronograph. So it doesn't give us much more information than that. Let me go in so you guys look at the details of the watch while I say all this. In terms of the case, it just does say stainless steel. I'm assuming it's 316L, but it just says stainless steel. Case size is 43 millimeters. Okay. In terms of case thickness, you're looking at 19. They've got 19 millimeters here. It does say it's a sapphire coated mineral crystal in terms of the lens there. Let's see here. It doesn't look, doesn't look like domed or anything like that, but it does say sapphire coated mineral crystal. It does say it's a stainless steel band with a fold over buckle and push button. So you've got the push button here, that kind of double trigger as we unfold that. And the band width is 22 millimeters and 50 meters water resistance. So pretty simple specs here. Give me 1 second. I'm going to throw it on the wrist and we'll take a look at it here. Keep in mind, I have 8¼ inch wrists. Okay, so my wrists are huge. Let me strap it up here. I think I need to add a link. I need to add a link here. But my wrists are huge, so keep that in mind, guys. Real quick, we'll go back in so you can see it there. There's the detail. I do have an extra link here, and I can bring it out a little bit in terms of sizing it. But that's what it looks like on the wrist. I think it actually looks really good. I do like the red against the gray and the black. It's quite an attractive, quite a stylish piece. So the Cadola, the one I had previously was the Cadola Endurance. But this particular one here, guys, this is the Cortebert. Let's get the name here. This is the Oregon, Ouragan, Cortebert, Oregon. So again, guys, this is the Watch Gang Black Tier subscription watch from the month of August 2021. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Would you wear this piece? Personally, I think for 99 bucks, this is a grand slam. It's a knock out of the park. Similar to the Cadola Endurance that we received in previous months. Do you like it? Is this something you would wear? Is this a watch that you would seek out? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much. We're 10 away, just 10 people away from reaching our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Be the cool guy. Hit that subscribe button. And then hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm as well. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. I always appreciate it. This has been Unboxing Chill. Signing out.